Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Nate. I'd like to welcome you to this amazing year and this great term. Today we're talking about the introduction to graphic design, and in this topic there's a lot of hands-on session. As a matter of fact, for the whole of the term there's a lot of practical activities, so you need to get your computers ready almost every time we come here every Saturday. For this particular topic, we are going to be using our computer system, and if you have a tablet or you have access to your parents' smart devices, smartphones, you can also use it for this particular topic because the software we are using is compatible with smartphone, tablet, and then the computer system. And before we go on, let's quickly look at the learning objective for this particular course. And what are the learning objectives? At the end of this particular class, you should be able to highlight the uses of graphic design for communication. You should also be able to identify different graphic design software, different graphic design applications. At the end of this class also, you should be able to install Canva on any of your device and also sign up on the Canva platform. So, what is graphic design? Design is a way to communicate an idea. So I'm just going to read what we have here. You don't have to be a master artist. It means you don't have to be a master artist to be a designer. But knowing how to sketch, even if badly, is important to quickly convey a message. A designer will be presented with a problem he must solve visually, and he must do so following a design project. Now, there are several graphic design applications. Okay, so but before I talk about the different graphic design applications, let me quickly explain a bit what that first passage is actually talking about. So, being a graphic designer is different from being the regular artist that the fine art that you do in class. Even if you are not a good fine artist, if you can just sketch your idea, no matter how bad it is, you can design amazing graphics using the computer system. So the computer system helps you to do amazing designs. So even if on the paper you can't put a fantastic drawing down on a piece of paper, it's a different ball game here on the computer system. The computer system gives you the ability to do as many as possible designs if you can manipulate any of the graphic design software. Now there are several graphic design software. Some of these graphic design software include Photoshop. Another is Canva, which we are going to be using for this lesson. There's another software called PageMaker. There's another software called Paint Application. There's another software called Collage Maker. There are several applications. There's Corel Draw. I know you all know Paint Application because while in grade 1 or 2, we learned to use Paint Application to draw a lot of things. Now, for this particular class, we are going to be using Canva to do our designs. So I want you to just stay put and watch how we design graphics using Canva. Now, first, working with Canva. Canva is a design application used to create social media graphics, presentation, posters, documents, and so on and so forth. So Canva can be used to design anything. Greeting cards, posters, can be used for any kind of documentation basically. And one beautiful thing about Canva is that Canva has a lot of already made templates. All you just need to do is to change the information there to suit your own need. It's very easy to use Canva. It's very interesting to use Canva, and I'm going to be taking you through that right away. So first, how do you install Canva to your device? So if you are going to be installing Canva to your mom or your dad's device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, you can always install it. Okay, so for those of us using Android devices, I don't have an iOS device. I don't have an iPhone here at the moment, but I'm using Android. So if you are using an iPhone, instead of clicking Play Store, you'll find App Store. So you just click your App Store, type Canva. Once you type Canva, your computer system is going to pop the Canva app. I have it already, that's why it's showing me update. But if I don't have it, it's going to show me download. So I'll just click download. The same place where you can see update, you see download. Once you click it, it will automatically download it to your computer system. And then here you go. Let me show you the Canva app on my device. So you can see this is the Canva app on my device. So I have downloaded the Canva application on my phone and I am ready to start building amazing design. Let's quickly learn how to download the Canva application to our laptop computers. Now for you to do that, just go to your Google Chrome. You open your Google Chrome and then you can choose any of the, and then you can type www.canva.com. This will take you to the Canva site. So you can easily sign up. Sign up means to create an account. So I can click sign up for free. Then it will ask you to sign up with Google, to sign up with Facebook, to sign up with email. I could just click sign up with Google. Now it's going to show me the several Google accounts that is on your computer system. If you don't want that, you can use another Google account. But I don't want us to. Yes, it's going to show us different email accounts. So let's just use this particular email. I don't want us to go through that long process. Now, don't forget, like I always say, if you're on the computer system, if you're on the internet, you need adult supervision. So please, for this particular topic, you might need your uncle, your mom, or your dad, or somebody that is an adult to assist you in doing this. But it's quite easy, but in order to avoid some unnecessary issues, you can get an adult to support you in this process. So like I said, just select the email that you have here. It's just going to automatically create an account for you. So you can see automatically I have created my Canva application. So easy, so easy, so easy. I can accept all cookies. Now so it's asking me, what will you be using Canva for? Non-profit, for charity, personal, as a teacher, small business, large company, students. Yeah, so I'll just say choose that one of students. It says university, high school, professional, vocational training. Let's just choose. I just want us to choose order. Okay, so this is going to take us through so many processes. So instead of that, I think we should just choose personal. I think personal will not stress us so much. So this is, you please read this information on your own, but because of time I might not be able to read this out. I'll just say start my free trial, and then I'll just say later, maybe later. Wow, my Canva application is ready for design. So basically, this is where I'm going to stop today. I want you to try out to create your own Canva account and possibly download Canva to your computer system or to your Android device. So basically, we have created Canva application. In our next class, I'm going to be taking you through how to use Canva to build amazing designs. But before we go, you can see different design templates on my screen. So we are going to be learning to do stuff like this in our next class. But at this moment, I want us to just end the class here. I believe you've learned a lot in this class. Please try it out at home. Try and download Canva to your Android devices or your tablets or your smartphones or your computer system, and then create an account for yourself. Thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye for now.